Getting your financing set before buying a home in Southwest Florida is a needed first step to the home buying process, and understanding your options and requirements can streamline your journey. Here's a more detailed guide to help you with each key component. First, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you start browsing homes, getting pre-approved for a mortgage is essential. This involves submitting your financial documents like income, tax returns, credit reports, and employment verification. Pre-approval shows sellers that you're a serious buyer, gives you a clear budget, and speeds up the process when you find the right home. Being pre-approved also helps you avoid disappointment if you fall in love with a home that's beyond your financial means. There are different mortgage loan types. There are several options to choose from, such as conventional loans. These are very common and require a down payment of 5 to 20%. They typically offer better terms for borrowers with strong credit histories. Next are FHA loans. These are the most common types of loans used to buy a home in America. They are backed by the Federal Housing Administration and are ideal for first-time buyers or those with lower credit scores. A minimum down payment of 3.5% is required, but you'll need to consider mortgage insurance premiums when budgeting for the loan payments. Next, we have VA loans. These are available for military veterans and active duty service members. They require no down payment and have favorable terms. There are jumbo loans. These loans are for properties that exceed conventional loan limits and typically come with higher interest rates and stricter requirements. Also available are USDA loans. These are available for buyers in rural or suburban areas and offer 0% down payment. These loans are income and location dependent. While these types of loans are available, these are the least used of all loan types. Next key point is the down payment. The down payment is one of the biggest expenses when purchasing a home, and this is a hurdle for first-time buyers, but we can negotiate with the sellers to assist with closing costs to help. Most loans require anywhere from 3.5% to 20% as a down payment, but first-time and others home buyers may qualify for down payment assistance programs, such as Hometown Heroes. If you're buying a second home or investment property, be prepared to put down a larger percentage. Be mindful of other costs associated with the down payment, such as private mortgage insurance for loans if your down payment is less than 20%. Next, consider the closing costs. In addition to the down payment, closing costs typically range from 2 to 5% of the home's purchase price. These costs include title insurance, home appraisals, inspection fees, escrow fees, and loan origination fees. Make sure to account for these additional costs in your overall budget. It's a good idea to ask your lender for a detailed estimate of your closing costs well before looking at homes, so there are no surprises. There are Florida-specific considerations as well. Florida has unique insurance requirements, especially when it comes to flood insurance. Many Southwest Florida homes, especially those near the coast or in flood zones, will require flood insurance, which can add a significant monthly cost to your mortgage. Additionally, property taxes in Florida can vary significantly depending on location. So make sure to budget for these taxes when planning your home purchase. Understanding the Florida homestead exemption can help lower your tax burden if you plan to make Southwest Florida your primary residence. Next, I would always work with a local lender. Working with a local mortgage lender has many advantages. Local lenders are familiar with Southwest Florida real estate, market, and our unique regulations. They can guide you through the process of securing flood insurance, understanding local tax rates, and navigating state and regional loan programs. They can also provide personalized service and quicker response times than national lenders, which is crucial in a fast-moving market. Should you use a fixed or adjustable rate mortgage? Choosing between a fixed rate mortgage and an adjustable rate mortgage is an important decision. A fixed rate mortgage offers predictable payments over the life of the loan, making it a good choice for those who want stability, while an adjustable rate mortgage, on the other hand, offers a lower initial interest rate, but may increase after a certain period depending on market conditions. If you plan to sell or refinance before the adjustable rate kicks in, an adjustable rate might offer short term savings, but be aware of potential future increases in monthly payments. Getting pre approved early in the process not only helps you understand how much you can afford, but also strengthens your position in a competitive market. Sellers are more likely to entertain offers from buyers who have been pre approved, as it reduces the risk of financing falling through. It also helps streamline the process once you've made an offer, as much of the paperwork will already be in place. By understanding the different mortgage options, calculating your down payment and closing costs, and working with a local lender who understands Florida's specific needs, you'll be in a stronger position to finance your home purchase in Southwest Florida. These considerations will help ensure that your home buying experience is smooth and financially sound.
So, if you're looking to finance your purchase here in Southwest Florida, I highly recommend that your first step after speaking to me is to speak to a financial loan officer. I have several on board that are able to help and answer any of the questions that you may have. It is such a valuable step. It's one of those must do things before we even start looking at homes. So, I hope this information has been helpful. It's quite a bit to consider when trying to buy a home here in Southwest Florida. So if you have any questions about this or any other topic in Southwest Florida real estate market, give me a call at 239-313-9209, 239-313-9209, or just shoot me a quick email to Tom, the letter F, Miller, the number 7 at Gmail with any questions you may have, and I'll be happy to respond. Hope you had a great day. Look forward to speaking to you. Talk to you soon.